And there it goes. There's the STH-10 siren. This is crazy. This is probably so loud that y'all can barely even hear my voice. By the way, this is super duper loud that I have to yell. Hey, this is the first siren I've ever recorded. I know I said this, but I'm saying it again. This is crazy. Super duper crazy. No, this does not feel like a dream. Feels 100%, actually 2000% real. Also, you could use this for Sparta remix, just don't put where my voice is at. It'll just be mid. Oh my god, this is so shocking that I have no else words to say. This is literally awesome. This is literally the best thing I've ever seen. And it's crazy that it's still on. Oh, finally there's the wind down. Siren test was kind of crazy. Zooming out. Hold up, let's go close to it. This is what it looks like up close. That's just crazy. Just look at that. This just has to be the greatest siren test I've ever recorded. I have to record another siren test. Cause this siren test I have recorded is absolutely awesome.